So steps to your first commissions in Roblox UFX. Let's say you never really got into this before. Right, what do you do next? What do you do now? Alright, here is the steps. I have 4 steps right here. First of all, do personal artwork. First of all, you're not gonna get any commissions at all if you start now. Let's say at the beginning, because first of all, you're not good yet. There's so many things you have to learn, all that kind of stuff. But if you do personal artwork, that's gonna teach you a lot. That's gonna help you get better. All right. And if you keep doing personal artworks, not just keep doing it, but post it as well. Make content about it. Make yourself discoverable through it. That's the key here. Second step is to start following developers, right? Other designers out there, and see what they do, and also provide the value to community. Let's say share the things that you learn here. Is that also, this is what I'm trying to do as well, is that this is the reason why I create YouTube, is that I'm gonna, first of all, it helps you guys out. Second of all, it's also make myself more discoverable. That's the thing right here. That is the goal. So it's not like I'm creating for no reason. So third step is to reaching out to cold DMs. Reaching out through cold DMs and see if they are interested or not. Really, this works, and trust me, it works. But sometimes it's unlikely. But most of the time, it works. So basically, I still remember the first commissions I got was that I contacted all the developers out there, like in the whatever I find, wherever. I still remember I charged around like 100. Oh no, not 100, but like 1,000 Robux or something. The thing is that the very first period that you start is just learning. You are trying to learn how things work, how to do this, how to do that, all that kind of stuff. And it really helps a lot if you are looking out to start. This is a whole new career path. But really, cold DMs does work. Let's say the video editor that is editing this video right now, he actually cold DM'd me, and he actually asked me to actually provide the work for free at first, no cost at all. And I see if I like it or not. And if I do, I continue the service. And if I don't, I just don't. So basically, cold DM works. Just keep on doing. Just keep putting yourself out there. And if you put yourself out there more, you're gonna be more discoverable. And if you're more discoverable, you're gonna be more, opportunities gonna lead to you more. Right? That's the key here. The fourth step is to stay present. Now, I talk about this a whole lot of times, but I want to mention it again. Make yourself discoverable. I'm gonna preach this in most of my videos. I'm gonna preach something like this, but make yourself discoverable. That is the key for this modern era of artists and designers. All right, I'm gonna say this again. Now, I'm gonna say this again. I know I say this a lot, but make yourself discoverable. In this modern era, as a designer, as an artist, you have to make yourself discoverable. And you have the tools for that. If you have smartphones right here, you have ability to make yourself discoverable through internet. Now, everything I said so far, you have the potential to do it. If you like this kind of video, if you like me to motivate you like this almost like every week, go subscribe to this channel. I'm trying to hit 1K subscribes for whatever reasons. I'm trying to hit that. So yeah, help me grow, and it's a win-win for us. Thank you. At the end of the day, you are the star. Peace out.